I want you to see these red metal snowflakes. These are going to be hot. They come in 2 different designs. You'll see them right here. See that? We have a lot of different ornaments with snowman. We have these marble looking ornaments. I would say that they're kind of tie-dye, kind of marble. They come in 2 colors. They're a red and white and a green and white. These trees kind of tuck up under. These are a glass ornament. This one has the red, and I think one has some green on it. I will find it in a moment. And then I also want to point out to you the stems here. So these are a fabric stem that have a little bit of stitching on the end that's red and white. Because part of wanting to build a snowman is going to kind of transition into candy canes in a moment. And so we're covering snowmen, nice red and green, strong white, again another flocked tree with a lot of snow. And then we're going to also try to bring in just a little bit of that traditional red and white as we move through. One of the coolest things, there were 3 designer trees that used unusual items in the tree. And this happens to be one of them. And it's these blocks. You see the blocks in the tree? This one's kind of low, this one's up high. Oh, here's my red tree. I knew I had it hanging there somewhere. In the meadow, we can build a snowman is one of them. Do you want to build a snowman? And that's part of the name of the collection. These are really neat because they're different. You can put a block right on a tree. I like that, but if you don't want to put it on the tree, you can also stack them. And we have some different ones.